Metals hitting the lows yesterday towards 25.37 and 29.65. We have seen a very good recovery with the US session. And in our US session update, I have mentioned that we are looking forward to a recovery. Beautifully done. Now, what to expect today from gold and silver? Can we say that the metals have bottomed and can we look forward to a rise from here, or it is again going to be another day where we are looking forward to lower lows? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators and do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade, trade with profit, trade with confidence, trade with logic. And this is the only channel to give you two updates so that the next update will be released before the US session. Today we have the retail sales data also from US, which is also going to add to the volatility here. And thus do not miss to watch the next update. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch the now. See what's happening in gold after forming lower lows here. I drew this line yesterday in our US session update. I have mentioned that it is willing to break out. Now, most important thing is it has given a breakout. Now you can see trying to break beyond 2580 levels. We have seen a bit of a struggle, while on the downside now 2560 levels are coming to the rescue, and most of the movement is now centered around the 20 period moving average here. Thus, it is very, very important if gold trades above 25, 76, 78 zone, we can expect more rise. And how far? See, very, very important for it to trade about 25, 84, 85. That is going to be the first resistance and first milestone which it needs to break. Because above this, we can expect it to in fact move towards 2600 levels. But let's have further look before concluding. The stochastic rising, MACD also rising. See, on MACD, I've mentioned one thing. See, look at the waves, and this time from higher lows, it is trying to bounce back. So on the hourly charts, it appears it can look forward to further highs. RSI has also come out of the oversold zone. Coming to 2 hour. Now on the 2 hour charts, important point to note, whenever it diverges, it converges towards 20 period. Here also, here again, and here at this point I have mentioned too much of divergence calls for it to converge. Now what is happening? You can see how beautifully the technicals play a role. Look at this, getting a very good resistance here, now trying to break out above. See, a flat base is created, and now once gold trades about 25, 25, 76, 78, you can look forward to a move towards 85, 84 levels. And if that is taken, chances will be very, very high that we may look forward to a good rise here. While at the same time, notice support is created at 64, 65, and thus this, if it breaks, I will wait for 25, 60, 58. And if that is taken, then you can say then gold is reversing and the bears are back in action where lower lows can be seen. But let's have a further look. See, stochastic has dropped here. The MACD, if you look at MACD after forming triple bottom, now rising, the mouth is wide open, suggests that we can look forward to a recovery from here. RSI came out of the oversold zone. And on the 3-hour chart, see, on the 3-hour charts, if you apply the same principle, that you can see a move towards 20 period moving average. Right now it is trading with little divergence from the 20 period, which is also now sitting at around 2580. And this is why these levels play a very important role, and thus we have to be cautious here till towards 2584, 85. We should not be treating gold as bullish for. Very clear. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bearish. Stochastic at top. MACD forming triple bottom, trying to diverge, trying to stay bullish, looking upwards. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation on the 4-hour charts. A flat top is seen. Let it break here on the upside, and that will confirm another round of move. First, as we have discussed, if it breaks this zone at 25, 84, 85, 91 and 2600 can be expected here. 2600 is going to be a major resistance zone. Now here also the 20 period is sitting far above. Also look at the formation right now. If you connect the dots here, you can find out this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. The highs somewhere here. So this needs to break this channel in order to confirm a breakout and in order to confirm further bullishness. Stochastic overbought. MACD, see, after hitting the lows, first, second, third attempt. Now after third attempt, it is now divergent. This suggests that now the fourth attempt, I do not expect that it is going to drop like this. I expect that it may continue to retrace. Now, why this should continue to retrace? See, even despite having extreme bullishness here in gold, we have never seen for last 6 months, we have never seen the MACD breaching the plus 20 levels on the 4-hour charts. It was only in March that it has tried to move slightly higher but failed to stay above. Now, look where it is right now. It is right now at minus 30. So, extreme bearishness is here, and thus a little recovery has to be there. That is my expectation. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Coming to the day on the daily charts, remember yesterday I drew something on the 4-hour charts, and similar pattern is getting formed here on the daily. What did I draw? See, look at the pattern. That is how you should correlate. What has happened here? I have mentioned, see, it is diminishing bearishness. It has formed a tail. Then this is a reversal sign. Post reversal, what it has done? It has delivered couple of bullish candles. Now, if you look at the daily, can you see similar formation here? But here it is very, very important for it to breach past yesterday's high and trade about 25. And now once 84, 85 is taken, you can look forward to a recovery which can take the prices towards 2600 or in fact higher levels. And this will also set the ground for first and second bullish candles, taking the prices little higher. This one possibility we should not ignore. Means if it starts to rise and confirm that this is a reversal sign, we can expect in gold a little retracement towards 2640.50 in the coming week. This possibility we should not ignore here. But look at the moving averages. These have started to converge, not yet crossed over, trying to suggest slight bearishness. The stochastic has come to an oversold zone. The MACD also trading with extreme divergence. The RSI is at bottom. So considering this, before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering this for the day, I will recommend you to buy here at 2576 levels. Expect 2580, 2584, 85. And if 84, 85 is taken, stay bullish for 2591, 92, and then in fact 2600 will be seen today itself, beyond which more bullishness to 2610, 2620 can be targeted here. While on the downside for the day, only selling entry is below 2564, 62 zone. If it trades below this, you can expect 2558, 2550, and then 2558, 2554, and then 2545, 46. If 2545, 46 is taken, stay short for 2536 and 2520 levels are also possible. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to see silver hitting the lows. What we had seen here has now moved towards the highs, and that is what it does. It delivers waves. Look at the formation here. This is the third wave which is going on. If you connect the lows here and if you connect the highs here, almost the highs are now towards 30, 80, 31. Very, very important for silver to trade above 31, which will confirm, which will mark a reversal here. What is happening on the hourly charts? After a rise, a retracement taking support from the 30, 40, 30, 30 zone, trying to bounce back. And once it stays above 30, 70, 30, 80, you can stay bullish. If it breaks beyond 30, 70, 30, 80, we can look forward to a move towards 31, 31.20, and then 31.50 levels. 3150 is the level which will confirm the complete reversal. Yes, the indicators are rising. Look at the waves here. And this is what we had seen, and it is now looking upwards, which is a good sign for the bulls. The RSI is also rising. On the 2 hour, the observation is same. Series of bearish moves. Now waiting for a breakout. Waiting for a breakout means a move above 31. And once it trades above 31, certainly you can say we are looking forward to a greater rise here. Possibility is very, very high. So if you see it is staying above 30, 70, 30, 80, just stay bullish. And if it breaks 31, we are looking forward to a very, very good rise here. Yes, the stochastic has dropped while the MACD, after delivering the waves, is now looking upwards. It appears to waiting for a shoot up here. See, it is consolidated here and now trying to break out. Let's see if it does show this. RSI rising, coming to 3 on the 3 hour chart. See, this zone is critical where it slightly moves above 20 period and reverses, and that is why this zone till 31 is very very critical for silver, and any breakout above 31 is the only confirmation of reversal. What is happening here? It has formed a good base and waiting for it to stay bullish. If it stays above 3070, we can look forward to a good rise here. This possibility we should not ignore. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising. Coming to 4, look at the 4-hour chart. Similar observation. See, striking the 20 period, we have seen it reversing. It has come down to the same point, and it is definitely showing a struggle here. Let it end the struggle. When the next candle arrives, and when you see silver trading above 3070, 3080, consider that 31 is there on the cards, and once 31 is taken, we are looking forward to a very good move, taking it till towards 3120, 3150, and in fact 32 is possible. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising. See what MACD did here, it has formed a base here, it is looking forward to shoot up, though I can see a greater struggle here on the upside. RSI rising. Coming to the daily. Now see, on the daily charts, it is important to note what has happened, what preceded the moves here in silver. Look at this bearishness. A swing has appeared, a closing in green, and now looking upwards. Once it breaches past yesterday's high, and that also makes 3070, 3080 is a critical resistance for here to break past by. Also notice here lower highs are there, lower lows are there. Let it come out of this channel, and that is where 3070, 3080 zone is going to remain critical for the day, breaking beyond which it will strive to achieve higher highs. And if at any point of time silver trades above 31, 3105, you can expect that the bullishness to stay here. 312025 should be there, and in fact 3150 can be expected. The moving averages convergence here is a slight bearish sign, though it has not yet crossed over. The stochastic rising, the MACD has traded sharply bearish, the RSI is flattened here at bottom. So looking at this, very simple. You can buy here at 3060 itself. When you see the lower price above 3060, expect it to move towards 3075-80 zone. And if 3075, 3080 is taken, expect 31 as the next targets, then 312025 and 3150 to be there. Beyond 3150, the next targets are towards 32. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry here at 3030 levels. If you see silver trading below 3030, expect 3010, 2980, 2970, and if 2980, 2970 is taken, stay short for 2940 and 29. Below 29, I think it is not going to the step. It's a waterfall drop where we can look forward to $28 levels very very soon. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Do like, share, and comment, friends. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.